So the question is solve 2. So this is capital R in given assignment. Minus 4, 2, 11, 5, 4, 18, 3, x is equal to 0, 9, 11 using LU method. So here I used 17. You are asked to substitute your register number. So you are asked to use LU method. So in LU method, first what you are finding, first row of U, what is L? L is equal to 1, 0, 0, then L2 1, 1, 0, then L3 1, L3 2, 1, U is equal to U1 1, U1 2, U1 3, 0, U2 2, U2 3, 0, U0, U3 3. So this is U. So what we are going to do? First we are finding first row of U, that is U11, U12, U13 using the first row of A. So here given A is equal to 2, 17 minus 4, 2, 11, 5, 4, 18, 3. B is equal to 0, 9, 11. So first by using first row of A, we are going to find the first row of U. So U11 is equal to A11, that is equal to 2. U12 is equal to A12, that is equal to 17. U13 is equal to A13, that is equal to minus 4. Now we are finding the first column of L by using first column of A. So first one, L21, that is equal to A21 divided by U11, that is equal to this 2 divided by this 2, so that is equal to 1. Similarly, L31 is equal to A31 divided by U11, that is equal to this 4 divided by this 2, so that is equal to 2. Then what we are going to do? Then we are finding first second row of U. We are going to find the second row of U, U22, U23. So U22 is equal to A22 minus L21 U12, so that is equal to this A22, that is 11 minus 1, this 1 into 70, this 70, so that is equal to minus 6. Similarly, U23 is equal to A23 minus L21 U13, that is equal to this 5 minus 1 into this 1 into minus 4, this minus 4, that is equal to 9. So this is U23, second row of U. Now we are going to find the second column of U, that is L32. So L32 is equal to A32 minus L31 into U12 all divided by U22, that is equal to 18 minus this 18 minus 2 into this 2 into U12, that is 17 divided by U22, that is minus 6. So we have 2.667. So this one is over. Now we are going to find the third row of U, that is U33. U33 is equal to A33 minus L31 U13 minus L32 U23, that is equal to, this is A33, 3 minus 2 into minus 4 minus L32. So L32 is 2.667 into U23. U23 is 9. So that is equal to minus 13.003. So this is U23. So now we have L and U. So L is equal to 100, 110, 2.6671, and U is equal to 217 minus 4, 0 minus 69, 00 minus 13.003. So now we are, by using Ly is equal to B, we are going to find the Y value. What is L? 1 0 0 1 1 0 2 2.6671 into y1 y2 y3 equal to 0 9 11. So here we are going to use the forward substitution. So first use the first row. So y1 is equal to 0. y1 equal to 0. Now use the second row. y1 plus y2 equal to 9. y1 plus y2 equal to 9. But y1 is 0. So y2 equal to 9 minus 1 into 0, that is 9. Now by using the third row, we are going to find y3. So 2y1 plus 2.667 y2 plus y3 is equal to 11. So y3 is equal to 11 minus 2 into 0, this is y1, minus 2.667 into y2, that is 9. So that is equal to minus 13.003. So this is y. Y is equal to 0 9 minus 13.003. Now by using this y, by using the equation ux is equal to y, we are going to find x. So this is ux is equal to y, 2 17 minus 4, 0 minus 6 9, 0 0 minus 13.003, x1 x2 x3 equal to 0 9 minus 13.003. So first we are going to use the back substitution. So first use the last row. So minus 13.003 into x3 is equal to minus 13.003, right? So x3 is equal to 1. Now use the second equation. So by using the second equation, minus 6x2 plus 9x3 equal to 9. Means minus 6x2 equal to 9 minus 9, because x3 is equal to 1. So 9 minus 9, that is equal to 0. Means x2 equal to 0. So x3 equal to 1, x2 equal to 0. Now use the first equation, 2x1 plus 17x2 minus 4x3 equal to 0. So 2x1 is equal to 0 minus 17 into x2, that is 0, plus 4 into x3, that is equal to 4. So 2x1 is equal to 4. So x1 is equal to 2. So the x vector, the final solution is 2 0 1. A is 2 r minus 4, 2 11 5, 4 18 3. So here I am using 7 in here. Okay. Now b is equal to 0 9 11 is a column. Okay. So now what is the solution? First one u11, u12, u13, right? So this is L 1 0 0 1 1 0 2 2.667 1. Now this is U 2 17 minus 4, 0 minus 6 9, 0 0 minus 13.003. Okay. So this is y is equal to 0 9 minus 13.003. This is x 2 0 1. This is the algorithm. So here you can see that we are finding x by using y. This is divided by that u3 comma 3, means last row. Last row is last component u3 3 only. Then x21 is equal to this one. So like that we are finding. Okay. So this is 2 0 1. Now the interesting thing is, if you are substituting different value for r, what is happening? Here you can see an interesting thing. So instead of 17, if I am substituting capital R equal to 2, b is equal to this one. This is LU. This is LU. This is y. This is x. Same x we have. Same x we have. Okay, what is a here? 2 2 minus 4. Earlier we have 17. So if you are changing this element, we have same solution. One value, one student have infinity, If you are substituting a particular value here, this system will become singular. Otherwise, you have the same solution. Okay. So that one is an interesting matrix. Okay. So substitute another value. If I are substituting 54, L U Y X, again 2 0 1, the same solution we have.